What if BMW suddenly brought back one of the most beautiful cars ever created? Not as a museum piece, not as a concept, but as a real production car for 2026. This is the rumored return of the BMW 507 Roadster. And honestly, this might be the most emotional car BMW has built in decades. Back in 1956, the original 507 wasn't just a car. It was art on wheels, driven by icons like Elvis Presley, produced in extremely limited numbers, and today, worth millions. It wasn't designed to dominate the track. It was designed to make people feel something. Now fast forward to 2026, and rumors are starting to surface that BMW could be planning a modern revival of this legendary nameplate. But this isn't just about nostalgia. This is about redefining what a modern luxury roadster should be. From the very first look, this car captures that same timeless DNA. Up front, the classic round headlights return, but now with a sharp modern LED signature that instantly gives it a futuristic edge. The kidney grille is no longer oversized like current BMWs. Instead, it's refined, horizontal, and elegant, staying true to the original 507's proportions. Move to the side, and this is where the design really speaks. Long hood, short rear deck, and perfectly balanced roadster proportions. It's clean, it's low, and it looks incredibly expensive. The body lines are smooth, almost flowing, with subtle muscular curves that give it presence without being aggressive. And then the wheels. Classic wire-style design, reimagined with modern materials, giving you that perfect mix of vintage charm and performance aesthetics. At the rear, things stay minimal but purposeful. Slim LED taillights stretch across the sides, while dual exhaust tips hint that this car isn't just about looks. The chrome accents are subtle, but they reflect light in a way that instantly elevates the entire design. This isn't retro. This is what happens when you respect history, but design for the future. Step inside and things get even more interesting. Instead of going full digital overload like most modern cars, this interior feels like a tribute to driving itself. You get analog-inspired gauges, but with hidden digital integration. The steering wheel is thin, elegant, and classic, with that iconic BMW badge sitting right in the center. The dashboard is clean, almost minimalist, wrapped in premium leather with metallic accents. Physical buttons are still there, giving you that tactile feedback that enthusiasts love. And right in the center, a manual gear shifter. Because if BMW really brings this car back, it has to be about connection, not just convenience. This is the kind of interior where you don't just drive the car, you experience it. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where things could get really exciting. Under the hood, the most realistic option is a turbocharged inline-six engine, likely based on BMW's legendary B58 platform. That means we're looking at somewhere between 380 to 450 horsepower, sent directly to the rear wheels. 0 to 60? Probably under 4.5 seconds. Top speed? Easily over 155 miles per hour. But there's also a possibility BMW could introduce a hybrid-assisted system, adding instant torque while keeping emissions in check. Either way, this won't just be a beautiful cruiser. It's going to be a proper performance roadster. Now, in terms of pricing, don't expect this to be accessible. If this car actually makes it to production, it will sit in a very exclusive segment. We're talking around $120,000 to $180,000, depending on spec and production numbers. And speaking of production, this will most likely be limited, which means the moment it drops, it instantly becomes a collector's car. And if it enters the market, it's going straight into competition with some serious players. Cars like the Mercedes-AMG SL, the Porsche 911 Cabriolet, and the Jaguar F-Type convertible. But here's the thing. Those cars focus on performance numbers. The 507 Roadster is different. This car is about emotion, about design, about legacy. Imagine driving this along a coastal road, top down, engine singing, sunlight reflecting off the chrome details. It's not about how fast you get somewhere, it's about how you feel along the way. So the big question is, will BMW actually do it? Right now, nothing is officially confirmed. But if they decide to bring back the 507, this could easily become one of the most beautiful and desirable cars of the decade. And honestly, it might remind the entire world that BMW isn't just about performance or technology. It's about passion. So what do you think? Should BMW bring back the 507 Roadster? Or is this a legend that should stay in the past? Let me know in the comments. And if you love future car reveals like this, make sure you stick around, because the next one might be even crazier.